How to decorate a small, simple plant. This is a relatively flowing design. Cutting from here allows this small branch to serve as the top, this branch as the support, and this one as the main floating branch. For this small branch on the side, we can consider trying to make it a depth branch by adjusting the height this way. After trimming the top here, the floating part accounts for about 1/3 of the total height. This gives it a higher, more elegant, and flowing appearance. Step 1. Gently bend and twist the main section. Step 2. Press down the support branch. Step 3. Curve the top branch upwards. Step 4. Shape the depth branch. With this, the decoration of the small tree is complete.